It's so typical Jason and Dellynn fashion.
No, this.
Oh, what? You mean no?
These roads are something else. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh gosh. I'm just checking in to see if you guys have any RV tires.
I do not.
We've now got to the point where all these local tire shops are closed now. We'll have to come back to operation trying to get the trailer done. Oh! We're in the middle of the forest.
Yeah.
We are at the Merrimack State Park, so this is just like a quick stop for the night. But we wanted to share with you
How kind of almost pleasantly and shockingly surprised we were.
that number one, our big rig there,
Yeah.
won't fit into most state parks. We had zero problems.
This is a
fitting into here.
65-foot slip. The truck and the rig can fit completely on the slip with a little bit of room to spare,
Yeah.
which was nice.
Yeah, and it was electric and water. There's a dump on the way out. $27 a night.
Not bad. The shocking, surprising part is, dude, look at how empty this place is. Now, granted, it's not the weekend.
But I mean, literally in this whole section, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people plus us. And there's a
Probably 50 slips.
ton of spaces.
Yep.
Same day reservations, because that's
Yep.
how we roll.
We make some other RV friends of ours a little nervous.
We're trying to make it to a family reunion. If we did have some more time, I'd be like, time to float the river.
Speaking of time, it's time to float on out of here.
Roll out. Some of these Midwest towns are something else.
So bad.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my word. Oh, here we are, Illinois, the land of Lincoln. We just crossed over. It's kind of uneventful when you oh my God.
Wow.
When you come on this road. Because there's so many freeway exchanges here going into Illinois that you don't actually get to get out and take a picture like we did in Oregon and most other states. We are in St. Louis right now. Well, we were. Now we just crossed over into Illinois.
The roads are terrible.
It's pretty bad, guys.
Which way do I go from here?
Oh, it's that pilot right there, exit 4. So that's where you're gonna go.
Keep left onto Illinois Route 203 north toward Granite City.
See, I turn her on for him so that in case I'm in my own world and I forget to tell him to turn,
3/4 of a
she
mile.
tells him.
Make a U-turn at Ohio Avenue.
It really helps.
Wow, really? This thing is on Ohio Avenue? Of all the pilots we pick, it's on Ohio Avenue.
The next light, make a U-turn.
Oh, okay, sure.
Make a U-turn. No biggie.
We're only 60 foot long.
Sometimes she don't really always know what she's talking about. I mean,
it's asking me to make a U-turn and the pilot is
it's
right
there. Well, let's just turn her off because we found her.
She fell down.
Where is it?
Inside.
Oh no.
Make a U-turn, then the destination is on your right.
I
Make a
don't know.
U-turn, but the destination's on my right? Wow. Wow.
We are stopping off at the local pilot truck station. Jason has his laptop here
Hang on.
because he needs to do some work. Final editing touches for our video. And friends, this is what we do. We're like, oh, travel day, video's almost done. We gotta make a stop. So we're gonna grab some lunch.
Shoot.
What's the matter? What's that?
You know your back tire is flat.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks, Mr. Jaco guy. Good thing we pulled over. Yep.
Yeah, I've got a flat.
I didn't know if you knew it or not.
I gotta get to the truck side. Thank you. I'm not really sure.
It says trucks only.
Too bad. Tractor trailers only. I mean, what do they expect us to do? Truck entrance only. We can go in here.
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the route.
She's wigging out.
Proceed to the route.
She's wigging out.
Proceed to the route.
Tractor trailers only. All others will be towed. Truck entrance only.
Proceed to the route.
Oh my god.
Well, I mean,
I can't get to it to turn her off. I don't know where.
Proceed to the route.
We're gonna go in here with the truckers, Lily. That's what we gotta do. We don't really have a choice here. Okay.
all right, now it's time to fix a flat.
And work. Yay.
That's just how it goes.
Oh gosh. That's like really flat.
We'll have to find out what punctured it and see if we can, fill it.
I wonder if it happened during all those crazy bumps. Well, we were gonna get new tires in Arizona before we left, but we thought, you know what? Let's just wait till we get to Michigan because we're gonna be there for a few weeks and we'll have time to get new tires and put it on. We should be fine.
All right, well, we jack it up and we fix it. That's what we do.
Now, to find that phone. Where did it go? No. Oh my gosh. There it is. I can finally turn her off.
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
So Jason went to work on getting the tire off the rig and tried to locate any punctures in the tire that he would be able to plug. And I started to call local tire shops to see if they had our tire size in stock and could fit us in that day to put a new tire on the rim. Yeah, I just want to see if you guys have any 235/80 R16 in stock. Yeah, do you guys have any larger, like RV size tires at all?
No, we sure don't. We probably go like steak wax for that.
Yeah, you guys sell tires there? Okay, do you have a 235/80 R16?
Where you can feel? No,
Yeah, hi, I'm just checking in to see if you guys have any RV tires, like 10, 12 ply.
I do not.
No, you don't, huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you know anywhere around that would? Because another tire company recommended you guys.
Yeah, we normally have them RV tires to choose from, but back orders are kind of terrible and tires are really hard to get. Sorry, who are you calling with?
A broken down RV.
Okay, so we're actually a wholesaler here.
Oh,
we don't sell to the general public.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, we've now got to the point where all of these local tire shops are closed now. So I found one place. They're called Cheapies Tires. They have like a 4.5 star rating. They were super helpful. They had one tire, heavy duty, that they would mount and balance and everything and put on the wheel so that I can throw it back in the back of the truck here and take it back to the gas station where the guys all are right now. Okay, we got the tire already, so I'm gonna go in and pay for it and get back to the guys so we can get back on the road. Okay.
This isn't just any RV tire. This is a Hercules RV tire.
I know, and all I can think of is Hercules, Hercules.
I mean, it just even looks like a better tire. Gosh.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like a bicycle tire.
Yeah.
Well, maybe if we watch how they handle themselves and whatever, maybe this will be the brand we end up going with, I guess.
Remember when I was like, hey, yeah, we'll just drop you off to work on the video and I'll take the boys to go over to the arch to hang out while you're doing it.
That would have been such a nicer idea than this.
What a day. For real. Hot. I'd have to agree with you. Gosh, it is frigging hot. And humid and sticky. Like,
My skin is literally wet. Which is what I feel like right now, seriously.
except for not clean.
No. And then my hair isn't helping either.
It's sticky. I know. That's
So
why I
my hair
put
is
mine up.
wet.
That's why I put mine up, because I can't take it. I can't take my hair sticking to my neck and stuff. It's like, ah.
Yeah, I'm done with this.
Done?
Hot plus big hair is not.
Are we G2G?
We're good to go.
The place where we went to get the tire didn't have the tire fully pumped up, so
We only had it to 60 pounds. You're supposed to fill it to 80.
Oh, and our compressor stopped at 70 pounds and would not air it up to 80. So we were like, okay.
I wonder if something was going on with the valve though, because it took this one here for the semi-truck tires. It took it like 5 or 6 times for it to finally start receiving air. So I think maybe something might have jammed in the valve.
happening.
Yeah, because that doesn't make sense, right?
None of this really makes sense. But
Touche.
it's now 6:30 p.m., friends. I mean, St. Louis, thanks so much for this little experience, but let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's roll.
Okay, so we're here in the car, about to get ready to go on the road. And this morning, Kian was like, hey, we could bring the Wii into the car, because we have power plugs and whatnot. So we have a whole setup here with the TV, and then Kian is setting up all of this stuff, and then we plugged some more stuff up there.
Long story short, I'm a genius.
Wow, that's impressive. That's basically epic.
We're playing the Wii.
Wow, right on. Necessity is the mother of invention.
And to think we were gonna spend like $200 on little car TVs. Why get a car TV when you have a Kian who knows how to set it up?
Heck yeah.
Well, we drove late into the morning to try to make up some time. So we stopped in Fort Wayne, Indiana, slept at the local Pilot's gas station. All took Army showers this morning. We're still trying to make Operation Family Reunion happen. We're gonna be about 2.5 hours late, so maybe.
It depends on how much your family likes each other if they want to hang out together that long.
I don't know, we could show up and everybody's gone, or we could show up and everybody's still hanging out and get to see some family I haven't seen in a long time. Well, the family reunion started at 12. Here we are, 4:15.
It's so typical Jason and Dellynn fashion.
No, this
Oh, what? You mean no?
4 hours late.
Guys, are we on time a lot?
No.
Right, but not 4 hours.
Just saying.
I mean,
Absolutely have.
I usually roll with the fashionably late. That's been my whole entire life's get up. I'm not a big let's be in a hurry kind of person. I'm like an islander at heart, okay? This is not fashionably late. This is like you missed the whole party late. Sorry guys, like
You missed
4
the entire
hours
thing.
later,
Yeah.
that's not even cool. Fashionably late, 10-15 minutes, no problem. 4 hours late? No, that is not our typical. That's what I'm saying. Now, RV life has made us be used to like day late, week late. We never made it late. We'll get there in a month. This wasn't even our doing. We had a flat tire yesterday and spent 6 hours trying to fix it and drove till 3 a.m. just trying to make up for lost time. Okay, we're gonna figure out where we're parking this mug. Where we're gonna park. Oh boy, I don't know. Oh shoot.
You're good.
Oh, nope, he's gonna drag it. He's gonna drag it.
We have blocking.
The bikes for sure. The bike rack, if we take the bike rack off, it might. We're definitely gonna have to take the bike rack off.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is it gouging in? Is it like?
Not yet, but you're gonna have to back it up, and we're definitely gonna have to take the bike racks off. And I don't know if it'll make it, to be honest.
Really?
Yep.
What he means by the blocking is to lift the tires up off just a few inches.
I mean, we could just leave it.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It hasn't been raining all day. Should we stop and just go inside and come back out here? Huh?
I'm game for that.
Yeah, let's do that. You gotta be kidding me. It's like starting to pour, guys. So I'm gonna roll up all the windows because they were all down. Oh my gosh. And then we'll have to come back to operation trying to get the trailer down. Oh my gosh! Are the... Oh! Hey, lover! Okay, come inside. Just come inside. Because it's raining.
I'm gonna make sure the windows are up.
I did already.
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Rain.
Of course.
I'd say let's just wait this out and then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Wow, guys.
What do you think, Lily?
It's
Okay, oh my gosh, it's still raining, but it's getting so dark. I gotta see what's happening. Oh my gosh, did you do it already?
Yeah, we did it. And then
You did?
Yeah, but we gotta figure out where to park it.
Oh yeah. I know you can't see anything, but we got this. We'll come back out tomorrow when it's not raining and during the day, and you can see where we're parking.